Hello and welcome back to Learn English Slow for Beginners. Relax and enjoy Foundation 15. There is no need to memorize. You are doing really well. Now, listen to the English words for today. Just listen. Live. Stay. Leave. Arrive. Cook. Wake. Sleep. Rest. Okay, listen to the words again and repeat them after me. Live. Live. Stay. Stay. Leave. Leave. Arrive. Arrive. Cook. Cook. Wake. Wake. Sleep. Sleep. Rest. Rest. Good. Nice and slow. Now, we can make some joined words. You can repeat them if you like. Live here. Live at home. Stay home. Leave the house. Leave work. Arrive today. Arrive later. Cook food. Wake early. Rest now. Sleep later. Very good. Now, listen to a simple story using all of the words. Tom and Lucy live near our place. Today they stay at home. They wake up early and sit in the kitchen. Tom wants to cook good food for breakfast. Lucy says, "I am hungry." Tom answers, "Yes, the food is ready now." Later, their friends arrive at the door. They eat, drink, and feel happy together. Their friends start to leave. Tom and Lucy sit down to rest. Later, they go to sleep. Finally, let us hear the English words one more time. Live. Stay. Leave. Arrive. Cook. Wake. Sleep. Rest. Okay, that is all for today. Well done. Rest now, and I will see you for the next lesson. If you enjoyed this lesson, you can like, share, and subscribe.